Hey guys, Happy New Year. I hope you all had a very nice night. If you did anything special, it is actually New Year's Eve right now and I'm sat in making a video, so if you didn't do anything then you weren't alone. I also didn't do anything. But yeah, today I am going to do the Witch Casket December box. Now according to them this one is their biggest box of the year apparently. And for anyone that's not seen me open it before, it's £27 to the UK with free postage, and they do ship worldwide, but it's all different prices, so you would have to check for your country really. So let's just get in it. So the first thing we've got right on top is a little witch casket sticker. We seem to get these in every box now, sometimes the different colours and stuff, but this is just a little black one. Then we've got a list of what's in here, but I'm just going to ignore that. Apparently the theme for this box is letting go and new beginnings for 2020. Then we have a little print. So this one has a phoenix on it, which I guess is the whole new beginnings thing. Then we have my favourite item that we got last year, which is a calendar. Now I have looked at this one already and I'm not gonna lie, I think I preferred last year's a little bit more, purely because if you look at this one, it is really cute. It has like little pentagrams, little skulls, like spiders and bats and stuff. But last year's one was all black with different coloured months on it, and I got these like metallic silver and gold and stuff to write on it on the black, and it looked really pretty. But this one is just white, which is a little bit more boring I guess, but it's still really cute though. I hang this on like the side of my desk at work, so I'm happy that we got another one of these this year. So that's the first kind of main item. Then next we got our tea, so you always get some tea as well. This one is a Florida Orange Rooibos, I never know how to say that, tea. It's got orange pieces, safflower, calendula petals and organic compliant. So little envelope of tea, like loose tea in there. Then we have this, which is a banishing bay leaf spell apparently. So we have, oh, I'm dropping stuff everywhere, 6 bay leaves. We have a very cute little pencil which says Witch Casket with some pentacles on it. And then there's instructions. So I will tell you quickly what it says. Basically, it says sit quietly, have a candle and a fireproof dish, take the pencil and write on the bay leaf what it is you'd like to banish or leave behind you, for examples anxiety, fear, guilt, etc. Or you can write something more specific if you want to. You light the bay leaf with the candle and burn it in a fireproof dish. As it crackles and burns, say something appropriate, such as I release myself from my negative self-talk, or I dismiss my feelings of guilt, or whatever goes with what you wrote on it. And then gather the ashes and dispose of them far from home. As you scatter them to the wind, bury them or wash them downstream, feel yourself heal. So that's pretty cute. I kind of like the idea of that. Might give that a go sometime maybe. I actually have loads of these spells and stuff from Witch Casket boxes, so one day I might actually do a little video of like me doing some of them maybe. Next we have a letting go charm bag kit. Contains everything you need to start working through painful past experiences. So that's pretty interesting. Let's see what is in here. I have changed my light by the way, so if you watched my last video a lot of you said it was a little bit too dark, so hopefully now it looks a little bit better, so let me know what you think of kind of how it is now. Quite a lot of things in this one. So we have chamomile and lemon balm, or chamomile if you're from America, which is these two. Then we have our little charm bag to make it in, and some little amethyst chips. So I'm not going to read out how you make the charm bag. I feel like that'll be a bit boring for you, but that is our spell for the month anyway. Next we have a candle, which just says altar candle. It's literally just a white little stubby pillar candle, which is quite cute to be fair, but nothing too interesting, I guess. Then we have this little thing, which is apparently a candle holder for the little tiny spell candles that we get. So it's wood, and we do actually have some of the candles here, little yellow ones. So basically these fit in a little hole, which is cute because I have quite a lot of spell candles and I've never really known, I mean obviously they stand up on their own on the floor and stuff, but it's a lot safer to have it in here because it won't fall over. So there is that, and the two little yellow spell candles. And we have a pin which says it's just a phase with a moon. We have a crystal which is Mozambique Carnelian. Sorry, it's like all fancy writing so it's hard to see. Which is this one. Super pretty colours in this. I don't think it's going to show up very well on camera, but it's like yellow, red, orange sort of colours. And it says it gives courage and promotes positive life choices. It can help you overcome indecision and work in a focused way to fulfill your dreams and ambitions. As an ancient stone, it was believed to protect the dead on their voyage to the afterlife. Mozambique Carnelian in particular is a stone of friendship and togetherness. It's believed to bring joy to all kinds of relationships. So it's a very cute little crystal or stone. Then we have some incense sticks. You always get some incense sticks. I've got literally packs and packs and packs and packs of these now because I don't really burn them in the house around the animals. These ones are called Nag Champa. They smell really nice actually. Some of them are a bit they smell a little bit old, but these ones smell quite like fresh and witchy, I guess. So there is them. Then we have a hat, which is like a beanie that says magic, which is cute for the winter months, I guess. I am not a beanie girl personally, but it's a cute little item to get though. Then we have a notebook, so it's a book of spells with a little phoenix down here, and it does have a closure actually, so it's got like a little elastic closure, just normal lined pages inside. That's pretty cute though. And then last but not least we have our scroll, which I will see if it's long or not to read. Sometimes I'll read them, sometimes I'll just hold it up because I don't want to bore you all. But it says, oh, it's just ways of letting go, moon magic. I'll hold it up, it's quite long. So if you want to pause the video and read what it says, then obviously feel free. But in case you don't want to read it, then I'm not going to bore you all reading the whole thing out. So yeah, that was everything that was in December's Witch Casket box. I will quickly go over everything again, just so you kind of see it all together. So there was the 2020 calendar. It does also have like a little mini calendar thing on the back, but each page is like a different month, so there is that. There is the little print, the sticker, the pin, the tea, spell kit, the other kind of little spell with the bay leaves, the crystal, the little candle holder, the big pillar candle, the little yellow spell candles, the hat, running out of places to put stuff. The incense sticks, the scroll, which I can't pick up right now, and the book of spells. So this hat that I'm about to drop, and all of this stuff for £27 to the UK. Like I said, they do post worldwide, but it's all just different prices, so you would have to go and have a look and see what it is to your country. But yeah, I hope you like this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe. I will put the info down below for which casket in case you want to go and check them out. Like I said, I hope you all had a very nice new year, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.